Okay, so in my previous video I have showed you in each and everything, but in this video I will say you the most important thing which you have to know, the most important thing. So those are for those segment uh which is speech. Okay, like this segment have a speech, you have mark it down as a man one, the person, the man one, and also the category of the speech is speech. The category of that segment, sorry, the category of segment is speech, you mark that as a speech. You write the words which is in this speech, in this, sorry, which is in that segment. You just write those word in this transcription box. But if you find any kind of segment, okay, if you find any kind of segment like this tiny one, okay, this is a segment, you can see that this is a segment. If you find any kind of segment in here, you what you have to do, you have to do what, let me say you, because in that tiny segment there is no word in here, there is no filler word in here, there is no anything in here, there is only a only a noise. Also, like suppose, let me go to another segment. Like suppose the person, this one is tiny word. Okay, okay, let me clarify it with you, with this one. Okay, so this one is a tiny segment. The person didn't say any kind of broken word, sorry, any kind of broken word also. The person didn't say any kind of word in this place. Okay, any kind of filler word or any kind of other word, the person didn't say any kind of word. That this is a like a this sound. I'm just give you an example. It could be like this sound, or it could be any another else sounds. So whatever it is, which sound it is, you understand on that segment there is no speech, not a filler word, not any kind of proper word, not any kind of broken word. There is no word in here. For that, for those segment, what you have to do, you have to do for that segment. Go to this place, mark the segment speaker as a no speech. Okay, mark that segment speaker as a no speech, and the category will be noise. Not use bubble, do not use music. You have to use speech and noise only. Okay, you have to use speech for the speech segments, and you have to put that noise for those noise segment which have no speech, because as I said, on that segment there is no speech. You have to mark that category of that segment is noise. Okay, after that, what should I write on that segment? I don't know that. Hey, what should I write on that, on this place? For that you have to just put a tag in here. And what tag? Let me show you. Hold Alt key, put a right arrow, the box appear. I have already shown you the text tag, uses of those tag. I have showed you the keys tag, uses of those tags. And as I said, you don't have to use any kind of tags from here. Please don't use any kind of tags from here in any places in your transcription. But for those segment, okay, for this segment there is no audio, there is no speech, sorry, there is no speech for that segment. As I said, there is only one thing you will use from the speech tag. From the speech tag there is only one thing you will be used, which is go down. There is so many tags in here, like breathe, click, cough. If the person is coughing, you will mark that as a cough. No need to. The laughing, the person is laugh, you will mark that as a laugh. No need to. Just if you find any kind of if you don't find any kind of speech in the segment, mark that as a noise. So like suppose, in after that segment, in this segment, okay, you come to this segment. In this segment the person laughed only, the person didn't say any kind of word, the person didn't say any kind of word, like a filler word, like a proper word. The person didn't say any kind of word. On that segment the person only laugh. What should I do now? Nothing else. As I said you, the last one, no speech, noise, and noise tag. For that segment you will do the same. Mark that speaker as a noise speech, mark that category of that segment is noise, mark that mark that transcription box as a hold alter key, right arrow box appear, go to the speech tag, just do one thing as a noise. You know, on that segment there is laughing, there is crying, there is coughing, whatever it is, there is appreciating, or there is clapping, whatever, but you understand there is no speech, no words in this here, no filler words, no broken words, no proper word. For that time no need to use any kind of other tag, just go to this place, select as a noise speech, select as a noise category of that segment noise, and put a noise tag in here. Just leave it, go to the next segment. In this segment you hear there is nothing in here, there is nothing in this segment, any kind of speech in this segment. Again go to the mark as noise speech, go to the category of the segment as a noise. Please, again I am saying, don't use any bible, don't use any music. You are not using these two because those are not needed for this for those file. Just mark that as a noise, go to transcription box, hold alter key, okay, hold alter key, right arrow, go to the speech tag, find down the noise, put a noise tag in here. That's it. So for that, as I said, for that speech tag you will not using any kind of tag in any word, but only one tag you will be use, which is noise tag, for those noise segment. That's it. So if you find, like suppose, let me clear you it also, if you find in this segment there is speech, I can easily say that the person in the from the web, the person says something 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 something, but in the middle of the portion there is no speech, in the middle of the portion there is a noise. What should you do? Write those speaker, write those Japanese, after that put a noise tag? No, don't have to use, as I said, don't have to use any kind of tags in the transcription, don't have to use any kind of tags in the transcription. You will put only a noise tag only for the noise segment. After that no need to use any kind of speech tag, any kind of speech tag in the transcription, no need to use. Okay, any kind of speech tag in the transcription, you will use that noise as for only transcription, only for those segment which contain noise or which don't contain any kind of speech. You will mark those as a noise, and after that mark that as a noise category. After that put a noise tag in here. But if you find on the on that segment there is person saying, the person is talking in Japanese, but in the middle there is a noise, ignore that noise. Just after that noise the person said again something, or there could be in the middle the person is laughing. Okay, in the middle the person is laughing, no need to headache, just ignore that laughing. After laughing the person said something, just write those words. Okay, the person said, like suppose the person says in Japanese, in the middle the person laughing for a 2 seconds. Okay, laughing for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, how much it will be. After that the person said again Japanese, just write those words Japanese. No need to worry about those Japanese, those laughing, those noise, those coughing, whatever it is, no need to worry about those. Just ignore it and write those transcription, write those words which the person said in that segment. That's it. So let me clear it again. Please don't use any kind of, like this one is a segment, you mark as a man one, you write those thing, sorry, okay, you write those thing in Japanese. After that just use those tag, like a text tag. If you go text tag, initial, foreign, English, keys tag, there is a tilde key and filler word, you can use those things, but don't put any kind of speech tag in your transcription box. You will just use only one tag which is noise, for those noise segment only. That's the thing, that's for the noisy speech. Okay, noise speech, the person which is noise speech, you have to use that noise speech for those segment where is no any there is where is no any kind of speech, any kind of filler word, any kind of broken word or proper word, there is nothing in here. For that you have to just mark those segment as a noise. That's it, nothing else. That's the thing. I hope you are understand about that tag, and also about that noise speech, where you have to use that noise speech speaker.